Hi, Ren here. Let's look at how the nominative case feminine singular with A endings, example Žena woman, changes to Ženu and why it changes. Žena woman is the subject of the sentence. Žena ends in A. That tells us that it's a feminine noun. The subject is in the nominative case. The adjective also ends in A. Example, Žena the woman, the subject is lijepa, beautiful. Žena je lijepa, the woman is beautiful. Lijepa, adjective. Nominative, the subject. The accusative, think the direct object, and the accusative case is used for the person or thing that receives the action. Wait, what does all that mean? Žena čita knjigu, the woman reads a book. Žena is the subject nominative, the woman is doing the action. Žena čita, the woman reads, the woman is doing the action. Žena čita, the woman reads knjigu, a book. Knjiga, book, changes to knjigu. Why? Because it's the direct object receiving the action. It's accusative, and feminine singular nouns change to you in this case. Žena is doing the action. Nominative. Knjigu is receiving the action. Accusative. The book is being read. Let's do another one. Djevojka, the girl, the subject, nominative. Djevojka pije, the girl drinks, the subject is doing the action. Djevojka pije kavu, the girl drinks coffee. Kava changes to kavu, accusative, the coffee is receiving the action. The coffee is being drunk. Žena is the subject nominative, Ženu is the direct object accusative. You did a great job. Good. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe.